Hello everybody, Johnny here. I hope you're doing great today. You can find more good math at jmathpage.com. Today we're looking at multiplying 9's, and we're going to think about it using an array. An array is a special way to organize things, especially in math, that helps us understand patterns. So let's see how it will help us today. So maybe you've seen these. 1 times 9, 2 times 9, 3 times 9, 4 times 9, 5 times 9, 6 times 9, 7 times 9, 8 times 9, 9 times 9, and 10 times 9. And you might think of these as your 9's tables. We're going to think about them today in terms of an array. And an array is a special organization that uses rows and columns. And the numbers of rows and columns depends on what we're caring about. Today we care about 9's. So I'm going to start by making 9 rows. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's number them off, okay? Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can always draw this for yourself if you need to. So I need to have here, I do have here 9 rows. Now, rows are one part of an array. The other part of an array are the columns. And I'm going to need some of those too, so let's count some off. And these are going to go vertically instead of horizontally. So this is vertically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, let's count them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I chose 10 because we're thinking about 10 here. So we have 10 columns. Alright, so an array is always organized in terms of columns and rows. And I've chosen to have 9 rows because we're thinking about 9's today. And I've added 10 columns because we want to go up to 10 today. Alright, so how's this going to help us? Well, let's think about this. If I look here and I say 1 times 9, and I'm thinking about it in terms of an array, I'm thinking about it in terms of rows and columns. I'm going to start here. I'm going to think about the 1 as being the number of columns, and I'm going to think about the 9 as the number of rows. So what I'm looking at here is 1 column and 9 rows. Well, here's 1 column right here. So I'll start here, 1 column, and then I have 9 rows. Now something special that happens along the way is that the column intersects with the rows, and there's an intersection at every point along here. And what's special here is my 1 column makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 intersections. Okay, that's good. So I can say 1 column with 9 rows makes 9 intersections. What happens with this one though? Now I'm going to have 2 columns and 9 intersections. Now I'm going to have 2 columns and 9 rows. Okay, here's my second column. Let's count off the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've added on to my original 9, I've added 9 more. So 9 and 9 more, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I've got 18 intersections already. We can think about this by counting by 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 intersections already. So we can say that 2 columns and 9 rows make 18 intersections. What about this one? This one says 3 columns and 9 rows. Here's my third column. Now I gotta find where all the intersections are as the rows cross the columns. So far so good. Now I had 18 intersections before. I've added all these now. So let's start with 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So I have 27 intersections. 3 columns by 9 rows give us 27 intersections. How about 4 columns, 9 rows? Here's my 4th column. Let's mark all of our intersections here. Okay, we had 27 before, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So we have 36 intersections. 4 columns by 9 rows gives us 36 intersections. What about 5 columns and 9 rows? Well, here's our 5th column. Let's mark all the intersections again. Okay, we have 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So we have 45 intersections, and we can check by counting them out again. We can count by 5s this time. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. Okay, so we know that 5 columns by 9 rows gives us 45 intersections. What about this next one? 6 columns by 9 rows. Here's our 6th column, and here are our 9 rows. So let's count them out. We have an intersection there, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's add on 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. 54 intersections. So 6 columns by 9 rows gives us 54 intersections. What about 7 times 9? 7 columns, 9 rows. Here's our 7th column. Let me mark all the intersections again. Okay, we had 54. Let's count on. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. So we can put 63 here. And we can say 7 columns by 9 rows gives us 63. What about 8 times 9? 8 columns by 9 rows. Okay, here's our 8th column. Let's mark off all the intersections. Okay, we had 63 before. Now we have 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. So 72 intersections. So 8 columns and 9 rows gives us 72 intersections. How about 9 columns, 9 rows? Here's our 9th column. Here are our intersections. Okay, so we had 72, now we have 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, and 81. We have 81 intersections. 9 columns by 9 rows gives us 81 intersections. What about 10 times 9? You probably know this one. 10 columns and 9 rows. Let's go to our 10th column. Let's mark our intersections. You can see that we have 9 intersections along the 10th column. Okay? We had 81 intersections. Now we have to add this last column. So we have 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 90 intersections altogether. We could also think about this by counting a different way. There are 10 along this row, right? So we could say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Another way to look at it. So we get 90 altogether. So 10 columns and 9 rows, and we get 90 intersections. So using the array, using columns and rows, we found out the multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, and 90. We see them over here too. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, and 90. Okay? Now I'm going to ask you to do a little work. I'm going to take these away, and I want you to try to think about what they're supposed to be. And you can look back at the chart as you need to. But say goodbye to 45, say goodbye to 54, 63, goodbye 72, 81, and 90. Now it's your turn. I'm going to call them out, and you can say for yourself what they should be. 1 times 9 equals, what do you think? 2 times 9 equals, 3 times 9 equals, 4 times 9 equals, 5 times 9 equals, 6 times 9 equals, 7 times 9 equals, 8 times 9 equals, 9 times 9 equals, 10 times 9 equals. How'd you do? You probably did well. Now I'm going to mix them up. Are you ready? 5 times 9 equals, 7 times 9 equals, 9 times 9 equals, 1 times 9 equals, 3 times 9 equals, 10 times 9 equals, 8 times 9 equals, 6 times 9 equals, 4 times 9 equals, 2 times 9 equals. How did you do? Let's write them out so we can remember. 1 times 9 equals 9. 2 times 9 equals 18. 3 times 9 equals 27. 4 times 9 equals 36. 5 times 9 equals 45. 6 times 9 equals 54. 7 times 9 equals 63. 8 times 9 equals 72. 9 times 9 equals 81. And 10 times 9 equals 90. And we can see all of these multiples played out in the array. All right? And you can always make an array like this for any number combination you're interested in as well. So I hope this was helpful to you.